Hello. In this video, we're going to verify and authenticate the account we created with the Tickmill broker. We'll log into the account. To complete these items, we'll click on the Proceed to the Test option.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
We'll fill in the relevant information, the status. We'll fill in the relevant information. Level of education, employment status, and what field are you employed in. Then select the Next option. In this section, these questions must also be answered. We've answered the rest of the questions as well. We'll select the Next option once again. Based on your own personal circumstances, you must choose the answers to these questions from the available options. We'll also answer the questions in this step regarding the experience you've had with trades like CFD trades, your trading volume over the past year, the number of your trades, and after that, we'll select the Submit option. At this stage, to upload your proof of residence, you'll select one of the options and upload your document. You should drag and drop the document and add the file in this section. We've added the document. Now we'll select the Confirm option. The added document is being reviewed, and after it's approved or if it's rejected for any reason, you'll be able to view the status of your document just as documents were uploaded before but weren't approved by the broker, so we used other documents again. After uploading the new documents, we received an email from the Tickmill broker stating that the documents we sent were accepted and our account has been verified. We'll go to the Tickmill website. In this section, we've received a message that we need to update our account details. To do this, we'll select the Update Details option. Our personal information is in this section, and for some of the parts that aren't complete, we need to fill out the personal information section. In the Level of Education section, you'll select your educational level. In the Employment Status section, you'll select the status you currently have for your employment. In this section, you'll select what field you're active in regarding your line of work. In the section related to trading info, your source of funding and the amount you intend to deposit into the broker, you select it and then complete the other options in order. Complete the options based on your personal situation and answer the questions in the Trading Experience section. Answer regarding your trading experience if you have any with CFDs. How many lots was your trading volume in the last 12 months and how much trading did you do? Also, for the last question about investment goals and risk tolerance, whether it's compatible with your situation, and if you accept the risks associated with trading financial products and services and are aware that doing this might lead to the loss of the capital you've invested. To indicate that you are aware of these matters, you select the Yes option. You select the Submit option. The items we completed have been successfully updated. Also in the Documents section, you can see that the documents we uploaded were ultimately approved and the status related to account verification has also been confirmed. In future videos, we will be with you to discuss deposit and withdrawal methods at Tickmill broker. Good luck.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.